So I'm gonna just beep out the name of the state
Yeah, there you
so
go.
no one will know what we're talking about.
There you go.
When you say no one thinks that
Yeah, there's any wheeling up there.
wheeling and you
It,
usually hear about, Moab or
hmm
St. George, Utah or Rubicon Trail, but what's
so it's the Black Hills, and it's all granite. Um, some people call it slick rock. I wouldn't really call it slick rock. It's there's still traction to it. To me, slick rock is back east with the mud and everything. That's a polished granite. This can be it's a more coarse granite. Um, but essentially it's world class wheeling up there. They used to do the Dakota Territory Challenge up there, which is rock crawling and racing and stuff like that. And but no one thinks of it because it's a hidden gem. A lot of the locals will just no one knows about it because the locals don't press it, or it's not all these huge sites that you see like in Moab or St. George or anything like that, or you don't have the comp buggies that go there per se. But it's some of the best wheeling, and it's very technical. Moab is up and down, and you have a ton of traction out there, and this is more technical, moving around obstacles. You have to think 10 steps ahead to get to where you want to go, compared to a lot of places like back east. It's just skinny pedal up the obstacle, and that's the end of the obstacle. This is the whole entire trail is the obstacle.
yikes? So maybe we shouldn't tell people about it, huh?
Yeah, I'm
Keep.
not supposed to.
Oh,
It's kind of like people aren't supposed to move to Wyoming. We're closed. um, is closed for wheeling, except when you're invited or you come to our event.